What's up, guys? My name is Ghost, and today I'm going to be going over a trade recap and how to find entries on a trend. So for the first part we're going to talk about is how to find the entries on a trend. Have your support and resistance levels marked pre-market or after hours, whatever case be. But have your levels all marked out and ready to trade with. And then find your confluences. So today, coming into the session, we gapped down, broke below my support level. Once we broke above, this is not a trend yet, so you can wait till you see a resistance test and then come back, test support, see how the range develops. But once we break a resistance and we climb above a next level of support, you can wait till you get the rejection and then retest, and that's when you can enter on the trend and to test out for the higher resistances. So today, that's exactly what I did. I missed my early entry on a close above my support level, waited for the retest, came in, it held. At this point, I was waiting for it to break the resistance, and then I could find my entries to go long. Once we got that entry, I did test it. Once we held 4325.28, and my target wasn't the first resistance that we rejected. I was aiming for the higher one, 4335.31, the key level. And that's where I got most of my trims off at that level. But I did trim first, right at the first resistance, and then held some just for the next price target. So that's how you can find a way to get into an uptrend. Vice versa for downside, this is my downside trade that I took. Waited for the consolidation. We held this support level, this 4325.28, and we weren't breaking this resistance. So at this point, I was just waiting patiently for the day to let the price action develop and let us know which way price wanted to go. So as soon as we got the first real 5-minute candle close, I waited patiently to see it fall below that candle close, and I entered my trade. And then as you can see, we got the close right here. I entered my trade once we came back down, and my price target was off of ES, and we got pretty much within 1 point of that price target where I trimmed and then kept my stop at this level. I am pretty disappointed. I did miss a key support level. That is one thing I do want to mention and want you guys to pay attention. Gap levels turning resistance into support. As you can see, SPX opened up a gap right here. And you can see right away we held that level. They turned that from resistance into support, and we reclaimed this level. It had this as an entry runs after it rejected, and we got the close. You could have took that same trade that I took here, and you could have got that same price target that we got earlier. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recap. I hope you guys learned something about how to find entries with your price targets and your levels. Appreciate you guys. Peace.